Just wanted to give you a quick reminder how to share a link from a Spark video into Moodle. First of all, we're in Adobe Spark and I'm going to click on Share. The next thing I want to do is Publish. Make sure to do Publish. Do not do Invite, do Publish. If you do Invite, it won't actually give access until it's also been published. Now we're going to click Create Link. And it will take a little while for it to actually generate this link. It'll take anywhere from 30 until about 60 seconds. And presto changeo, due to the magic of editing, that only took seconds. Now we are going to click copy. We're going to go over to Moodle. We are going to go to test 2. Scroll down to the bottom to add submission. There is a little text box here, and what you will want to do is click on the link. You will paste in the link, click Create Link. Now the link's in there, and you can click Save. This will make looking at your projects so much easier, better, and a happy professor is a professor you want grading you. So go with the links.